Why would we need to have a bushing in the first place? Well, the reason we need a bushing is because once current is flowing through a conductor, there are several things that's going to happen. One of them is that we create a magnetic field around the conductor. With direct current, the magnetic field is fairly constant. With alternating current, the magnetic field expands and contracts. The type of porcelain we use for this particular bushing is actually mechanically stronger than the type of porcelain that you'll have in your home. If you want to see an example of porcelain, then just go and take a look at a cup or a plate in your home, and that is a basic example of porcelain. The reason it has this very shiny outer surface is because on the outer surface of the porcelain, we've added a glaze, and this glaze actually serves two purposes. One purpose is that when we apply the glaze, it actually puts the porcelain under compression when it sets, and porcelain is a bit like concrete. It's very strong under compression. Other reasons for the bushing being a lot longer on the air side are simply that on the air side, it's open to environmental conditions, salt spray, fog, rain, dirt, sand. And on the oil side, this section here is sitting inside the transformer tank, and it's not exposed to pollution or other environmental conditions. And that piece of metal actually runs all the way down through the bushing. You can see it's just a solid piece of metal, and we call that our center conductor or central conductor, or you can even just call it the conductor. It's usually going to be manufactured from bronze or aluminium or copper. In order to minimize leakage current, we want to actually increase the resistance along the leakage path as much as possible, as this will reduce the likelihood of flashover, that is to say, reduce the likelihood of an electric arc between the upper high potential terminal and the grounded transformer tank.